Well, one of the things that I think is real interesting is that when we discover fossils, many times the organisms that we discover look like the modern forms. And so that's the technical term is stasis. They don't seem to have undergone any kind of change. And some of these fossils are hundreds of millions of years old. And so the fact that we see so many examples of stasis, to me, raises questions about, is there really an evolutionary history of life that we can derive from the fossil record, or does it more look like the work of a creator? Well, the Kambriyen fossils are the first instance that we see in the fossil record of complex animals. And what's astounding is that those fossils show up instantaneously in a geological layer. There's nothing preceding them that indicates any kind of evolution. They just show up explosively in the history of life. This is called the Kambriyen explosion. And there are, every phyla that we are aware of has representation in the Kambriyen explosion. It's an event that defies evolutionary explanation, and yet it's one of the most important events in the history of life when complex animals first appear. To me, that looks like a signature of a creator's handiwork.